Soft effects are timeline effects we can add to our clips and sequence. They are processed on the GPU to give us real-time processing, and they can be utilized in many ways. You can add soft effects by right-clicking on one or more selected track items going into the soft effects menu, or by choosing from the dedicated soft effect menu, or through the spreadsheet and right-clicking on one or more selected items. Let's select a track item and add a soft effect. The properties for the effect will be loaded into the Properties tab. Think of the track item as a container, and we are adding the effect to all of the contents within this container. This means if there are any shot versions, they will also be affected by the soft effect. We can add a soft effect at a source clip level. If we want the soft effect to only affect one shot version, we can right-click and open in Timeline View. Now we have the source of this version isolated. From here, we are adding a soft effect to the source. We've added the soft effect to only that version source, and now we have a line on top of the track item representing the soft effect when that version is selected. We can also add sequence-based soft effects. Let's add a new track, and then select the soft effect. The effect will be placed on the track, filling it up to the end of our timeline. The sequence-based effects are editable and can be adjusted using the editing tools. Soft effects will be affected by stacking rules depending on the order of how these are placed. Let's add a chroma key to this shot. And then we're going to crop. We want to scale this clip up, so let's add a transform. When we scale up, we're not getting the desired result because the scaling is affecting the crop. If we change the stacking order and move the crop above the transform, it is now cropping everything below, including the transform. We can copy and clone soft effects as well as the ability to do some advanced pasting options. Let's grab a soft effect selector, so we only want to deal with the effects. First, we can move a soft effect onto another clip by selecting the effect and left mouse dragging it onto another clip. We can also do a standard copy and paste onto another track item. We can clone a soft effect using Ctrl-K or through the Edit menu. When we paste, there will be an indicator letting us know that the effect is cloned, and we can also declone. We can also copy and replace paste. This will delete existing soft effects from one or more selected track items, and then replace them with soft effects from the copied source while keeping the same stacking order. The special paste function will paste effects on multiple tracks, preserving the order of distribution of their placement in the sequence. This will not replace any soft effects that the track item has. The special replace paste will act the same as the special replace, but will replace any soft effects the clips have. Some of the most common soft effects you might use will be the OCIO effects. These are nicely grouped in their own submenu within the soft effects list. Through the Python API, you can automatically create OCIO CDL transform for clips loaded with set paths to the CDL. Instructions on how to do this are available through our knowledge base.